Typography illustration hand lettering orange fruit. First, take a picture of an orange and then draw its outlines with the help of the pen tool, and use two types of orange colors, one dark and one light. Erase the shape from the middle. Now draw a line and with the help of the rotate tool, take some copies of it and connect it in the middle with the help of another shape. Now group the lines and bottom shape and click on -front. Ungroup. Now you straighten all the cut pieces, one by clicking the Unite button and placing all the text below it. Now you group each piece and the alphabet written below it. Now click on Object, then from there go to Envelope Distort and click Make with Top Object. Expand all the alphabets. Color the orange pieces black to make it easier for you to work on. Now set all the orange alphabets with the Direct Selection tool and remove the black part below. Now go to Path and take an outline under orange, so your design is ready as you can see. Be sure to express your interest.